as he walks towards his soul.
I do.
As well as one lost the left to go. Sees the veterans on time. Don't worry. On the battlefield, he gave his memory faith. Many people struck the bravery. He was his name. Grew a beard as soon as he could to cover scars.